35 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts out 20 nautical miles. Ocean waters from Martha's Vineyard to Nantucket from 25 to 45 nautical miles offshore. Ocean waters from Provincetown to Nantucket from 20 to 35 nautical miles offshore until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a flood was located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles south of the coastal waters south of Nantucket to 42 nautical miles south of the coastal waters south of Martha's Vineyard, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The front will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following